Hello everyone. Students, as you can see on the screen, the chapter titled as is titled Ranga's marriage. Okay. Students, earlier I have told you that it is an interesting story of how a person manipulates to get a young boy married to an 11-year-old girl in a village. The story dates back to the early days of British rule when English was not used in a big way. Okay, Rangappa, who is also called Ranga, the son of village accountant, is sent to Bangalore to study. Okay, his homecoming after 6 months make a big event. Okay, the curious villagers gather outside Ranga's house to see how much the boy had changed. Okay, and they sadly disappointed. Okay, the narrator discusses the issue of marriage with Ranga. Okay, clear? And Ranga, as I told you in the previous video, Ranga was reluctant to get married. Okay, clear? And the narrator has made up his mind to get him married soon. Okay, for that he knit a plot. Okay, clear? And he met village Shastri, the astrologer. Okay, and asked him to be ready for the thing he told. Even he taught him what to say when he would bring Ranga to him. Okay, clear? So let's read further. Students, if you want to get to know more about this chapter, I recommend you to watch the first video as well. Okay, clear? Now let us begin today's session. Okay, so we shall start from here. I have no headache. I am my usual self. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on, but I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. Ranga stared at me. Okay, come on, come, let's go and see Shastri. Okay, I suggested we will find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not. Okay, Ranga accompanied me without any protest. Okay, as soon as Shastri saw me, he exclaimed, "What a surprise, Shama! Haven't seen you for a long time." Okay, so students, uh, let's read the let's get the English explanation. Thereafter I'll tell you in Hindi also. Ranga insists that everything is fine with him and he is in his normal self. The narrator very wittily makes a remark that he went through the same feeling he was seeing when it was his turn to choose a right girl for his wedding. Okay, but immediately mentioned that it could not be the reason for Ranga. Furthermore, he suggested that they should go to see the Shastri uh, if the stars Guru for Jupiter and Shani for Saturn, okay, are in their favor. Okay, वो कहता है कि रंगा की हालत बिल्कुल वैसी थी, उसके सर में दर्द हो रहा था, तो उसने कहा कि नरेटर कहता है कि मेरे भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम ऐसा ही हुआ था तब जब मुझे एक राइट गर्ल चूज़ करनी थी शादी के लिए, बट ये तो कोई कारण नहीं होगा आपकी हालत के लिए। देन उसको कहता है कि चलो शास्त्री के पास चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि शनि और गुरु जो है, बृहस्पति जो है, वो आपकी सही दशा में चल रहे हैं नहीं चल रहे हैं, फेवरेबल है या नहीं। रंगा वेंट विद हिम एंड on seeing Shastri ji, he implied not having seen the narrator in a long while, which is obviously not true, as they had met before the same morning. उसने कहा कि अरे श्यामा श्यामा यहाँ पे श्यामा जो नाम है ना, ये नरेटर का नाम है। तो कह रहा कि अरे श्यामा, बहुत दिन हो गए आपके आपसे मिले हुए। Okay, let's read. Shama is none other than your servant, the narrator of this tale. Okay, Shama और कोई नहीं, ये आपका narrator है. Okay, I got angry and shouted, "What? Only this morning?" And the narrator got angry and uh, he told him that they met that morning. And Shastri completed my sentence, and then Shastri interrupted him and cut him in short, and called and told him that and he even finished all your work, and finished his statement. He told that he finished all his work and was now free to visit him. Okay, ऐसा उसने कहा कि चलो, अच्छा अच्छा, तो तुमने सुबह अपना काम कर लिया था, ये उसने कहा। Had he not done so, अगर उसने ऐसा नहीं किया होता, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. बोला अगर उसने ऐसा नहीं किया होता तो मैं अपने सारे प्लान को ख़राब कर देता। जैसे कि होते ना, जैसे पैडी से जब झड़काएं तो सारा ग्रेन गिर जाता है, ऐसे सारा प्लान बिखर जाता, सब खत्म हो जाता। I was extremely careful of what I said afterward. Shastri turned to Ranga, and thereafter the narrator became more cautious before speaking. Okay, and Shastri then turned to Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk, our accountant, come home? Then he inquired of his time when he arrived there in the village. What can I do for him? And it is very rarely that he visits us. And then he exclaimed uh, that it was very rare that Ranga came to Shastri to meet. Okay, take out your paraphernalia. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. Can you tell us what is worrying him? Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. Okay. Then the narrator asked Shastri to take out all his tools, all his paraphernalia, all his stuff related to astrology. Okay, as he wanted to know whether everything was favorable for him or not, whether yeah, he wanted to know what is the cause of his worry, इसकी चिंता का कारण क्या है, ये जानना चाहते थे। Okay, and even he asked if they could put his science on astrology uh, on to the test, क्या वो उसका टेस्ट ले सकते हैं। There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. Okay, ये बड़ी authority के साथ ऐसे बोला। He took out 2 sheets of paper and some cowries and a book of palmyra leaves, saying, "Ours is an ancient science, Ayya." Ayya here stand for brother. Okay, there is a story to it, but I won't tell you that story now. This is not the Hari Katha, okay, which allows you to tell a story within a story. Okay, you may get bored. I'll tell you it uh, to you sometime other time. Okay, clear? Shastri took out his essentials and told them that this is all ancient science, but he won't recite it now. बोले पुरानी बहुत प्राचीन विज्ञान है ये, लेकिन वो सब कुछ नहीं बताया। क्यों? बिकॉज देन दे बोथ वुड गेट बोर्ड, वो बोर हो जाएंगे। एंड ही डज इंटेंड ऑन टेलिंग इट ऑन अदर टाइम। बोलो मैं फिर कभी आपको बताऊंगा। इट इज़ नॉट द हरी कथा, ये हरी कथा नहीं है कि एक कहानी के अंदर दूसरी कहानी सुना दें, तो सीधे पॉइंट पे आता है। ओके, शास्त्री मूड हिज लिप्स fast as he counted on figure and then asked, "What is your star, Ranga?" Okay, what is your star? उसने रंगा से पूछा कि उसकी राशि क्या है। रंगा did not know. Never mind, Shastri indicated with a shake of his head. Okay, he said more calculations before. Okay, he did some more calculations before saying in a serious tone, it's about a girl. Okay, I had been controlling my laughter all this while. Okay. Then Shastri did some calculation on his fingers. Okay, and then he told Ranga that he was means the main cause of his worry was a girl. Okay, and Shama, the narrator, he began laughing secretly. Okay, exactly what I had said. बिल्कुल यही बात मैंने कही थी. शास्त्री वो बोला narrator. Okay, who is the girl? It was your humble servant who asked the question. Humble servant here stands for the narrator. The narrator finally asked who the girl was about whom Ranga was worried. Okay, clear? Shastri thought for a while and before replying, she probably has the name of something found in ocean. Okay, and then Shastri, after thinking, he replied that the girl name is synonymous to something that is found in ocean. जो ओशन में पाई जाती है ना ऐसी चीज़ से रिलेटेड है. तो ही सेड कमला, और शायद कमला हो सकती है. कुड इट बी पाची? पाची मीन्स मोस, काई. क्या ये मोस हो सकती है? बट मस्ट बी मोस इफ नॉट कमला. ओके, वाई नॉट पर्ल और रत्ना, द प्रेशियस स्टोन. रत्ना, वो कहेगी पर्ल और रत्ना क्यों नहीं. फाइनली रत्ना का नाम उसके मुंह से उसने बुलवा ही दिया. द गर्ल इन रमा राव हाउस इज रत्ना. ओके, टेल मी, इज देयर एनी चांस ऑफ आर नेगोशिएशन बियरिंग फ्रूट? डेफिनेटली, ही सेड आफ्टर थिंकिंग फॉर सम टाइम. उसने पूछा कि ही आस्क्ड शास्त्री वेदर if there any chance of the negotiation, if they try to have negotiation for their relationship, would it be possible? उसने उससे पूछा. तो he thought for a moment and then replied yes, हो सकता है, but that girl is married. Okay, clear? There was a surprise on Ranga's face. रंगा के फेस पे सरप्राइज था एंड सम हैप्पीनेस, खुशी. आई नोटिस्ड इट, उसने नोटिस किया. बट दैट गर्ल इज मैरिड, आई सेड. एंड फाइनली श्यामा सेड दैट गर्ल इज मैरिड. वो लड़की तो शादीशुदा है. देन आई टर्न टू हिम, हिज फेस हैड फॉलन एंड इट मेड रंगा अनहैप्पी अगेन. एक बार फिर से वो अनहैप्पी हो गया जब शादी की बात आई. जब बोलो तो शादीशुदा है. ओके, I don't know all that. There may be some other girl who is suitable. I only told you what our Shastra indicated, Shastri said. So Shastri told them that he did not care about that. Okay, he had told them whatsoever his ancient science on astrology indicated. वो जो उसने indicate किया है मैंने वही बताया. और भी कोई लड़की हो सकती है वो. ठीक है. Shastri said, we left the place. On the way, we passed by Ramarao's house. Ratna was standing at the door. Okay, I went in alone and came out a minute later. Okay, and on the way to home, they passed. They passed by. Sorry, they went on the way. They passed by Ramarao's house. Okay, Ramarao के घर के पास निकले. Okay, Ratna was standing at the door. Okay, and then the narrator went alone inside. Okay, and after a minute he returned. He came back. वो वापस आ गया. Now, surprising. This girl isn't married. It seems someone told me the other day that she was. What Shastri told us has turned out to be true after all. But Rangappa, I can't believe that you have been thinking of her. Swear on the name of Madhvacharya and tell me, is it true what Shastri said? Okay. I don't know whether anyone else. Oh, sorry, it okay. Yes. So Madhvacharya is an exponent of Vedic philosophy from South India, beta. Okay, clear? When the narrator came back, he announces that fortunately Ratna is not married. Okay, and someone might have wrongly conveyed it to him about that. The narrator expressed his amazement at the fact that he has been thinking about Ranga. रत्ना बोले क्या तुम रत्ना के बारे में सोचते थे? रंगा कमाल है। एंड आस्क हिम टू स्वीयर अपॉन द ट्रूथ, और उन्होंने कहा कि कसम खा के बताओ। टू हिज सरप्राइज रंगा टोल्ड हिम दैट द ट्रूथ वॉज दैट वट एवर शास्त्री टोल्ड इज ट्रू, और जो शास्त्री ने कहा वो सही है। ही वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट रत्ना, ओके। हिज बिलीफ इन ऑल द शास्त्राज हैड स्ट्रेंथेंड, अब उसका जो बिलीफ था ना शास्त्रों को लेकर, it became strengthened. And you know what is the reality? Okay, it was the narrator who convinced the Shastri to say whatsoever he wanted him to say. Okay, चलो आगे पढ़ते हैं। Shastri was at the well when I went there that evening. I said, "So, Shastriji, you repeated everything I had taught you without giving rise to any suspicion. Okay, what a marvelous sign Shastra yours is. Okay, he didn't like it at all. What are you saying? What are you saying? What you said to me was what I could have found out myself from the Shastra. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you underline this line. I developed on the hints you had given me. Tell me, is this what a decent man says? Marvelous means causing great wonder. Okay. Shama went to Shastri that evening when he was near the well, okay, and remarked about how well he did what Shama told him to. बोलो जो कहने के लिए कहा था श्यामा ने वो सब कुछ शास्त्री ने वैसे वैसे किया। शास्त्री seemed to not like what narrator was saying, जो वो कह रहा था उससे वो इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता था। Thus he says that whatever he said could very clearly be seen in the Shastras. मतलब जो भी मैंने कहा है ना मैं सब कुछ शास्त्र में देख के बता सकता था, शास्त्री ने कहा। एंड ही completely disagreed with having staged the entire conversation. Okay. Rangappa had come the other day to invite me for dinner. What's the occasion? I asked. It's Shyama's birthday. He is 3. He is not a nice name. It is not a nice name, Shyama, I said. I'm like a dark piece of oil cake. Why did you have to give that golden child of yours such a name? What a childish couple you are, Ratna and you. I know it is the English custom of naming the child after someone you like. Your wife is 8 months pregnant now. Who is there to help your mother to cook? My sister has come with her. I went there for dinner. Okay. Shama rushed to me when I walked in and put his arm around my legs. Okay, I uh, kissed him on his cheek. Okay, and placed a ring on his tiny little finger. Okay, so students, अभी देखिए थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है कहानी में। तो इंग्लिश एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिए। नाउ द नरेटर टेक्स अस अ फ्यू ईयर्स फॉरवर्ड, थोड़ा आगे लेके जाता कुछ साल आगे। ओके, वेयर रंगा एंड रत्ना आर हैप्पीली मैरिड। इट मीन्स रत्ना और रंगा की मैरिड शादी हो चुकी थी। ओके, दे गॉट मैरिड एंड दे हैड 3 year old सन। रत्ना वॉज 8 months pregnant then. Okay, Ranga's sister had come over to help them. It was Ranga's third birthday. Yes, the couple named their child, their son, after the narrator. Okay, as it is a common foreign tradition to name your child after someone you truly admire, जिसकी आप प्रशंसा करते हैं ना, उसके नाम के उसका नाम अपने बच्चों के नाम मतलब उनके ऊपर उनका नाम रख देते हैं। ठीक है, क्लियर। सपोज समवन लाइक्स सचिन तेंदुलकर द मोस्ट, तो वो सचिन ही नाम लिखेगा अपने बच्चे का, सचिन नाम लिखवाएगा। ओके, ऐसे ही उसने श्यामा रख दिया अपने बच्चे का नाम। ओके, व्हेन द नरेटर वेंट फॉर डिनर, Shama came to running him. Shama is the name, is also the name of Ranga and Ratna's son. Okay, Shama came running to him only to show his love by holding his leg. Okay, then the narrator kissed him and gave him a ring. उसने उसको एक रिंग दे दी। Allow me to take leave of you readers. I am always here, ready to serve you. You are not bored, I hope. The narrator then writes an ending note to all the readers, hoping that they were not bored. Okay, clear? I think you were also not bored, beta. Okay, so this is your chapter. Okay, clear? And I'll send you the PDF related to the answers. Okay, clear, beta? So keep studying, stay at home. Okay, clear, beta? Thank you. Thanks for watching this video, beta. Thank you very much.